In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Squarespace, a great solution if you're looking to seamlessly add scheduling features to your website. Let's dive into the steps to help you easily get this up and running. To start off, we need to head over to Calendly. So go ahead and log into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to decide which event type you want to embed onto your Squarespace site. Navigate to the specific event type that suits your needs. Found it? Great. Now, look for the Share button. It's typically located near your event type options. Click on it. After you've clicked Share, you'll see an option labeled Add to Website. You'll want to select that. And now you can choose the embed option that you prefer for your site. Once you've made your choice, you'll be provided with a code. Be sure to copy this code. It's essential for the next steps. And just like that, you're done with the Calendly part. Simple, right? Next, we're going to jump over to Squarespace to embed the code. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. From there, navigate to the page where you'd like to add your Calendly integration. Found the right page? Excellent! You'll want to enter edit mode, so click on Edit to make adjustments to your page content. Now, here comes the slightly technical part. Don't worry, it's still quite easy. You'll need to add a code block to the section where you want the Calendly widget to appear. Usually, this involves clicking on the area where you want to place the block, then selecting the option to add a new block. Select Code from the available options. Once the code block is in place, simply paste the embed code from Calendly into this block. Got it in there? Perfect. Finally, you will need to save your changes to make sure everything is set up correctly. You can do this by clicking on Apply. This action ensures that your Calendly widget is now embedded on your Squarespace site, ready for visitors to start scheduling with you. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Calendly with your Squarespace website. This integration will significantly enhance how you manage appointments and scheduling, offering convenience to both you and your site visitors. If you run into any problems or have more questions, don't hesitate to check out Calendly's support materials. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more helpful tutorials. Happy scheduling!